Hi, my name is Jamie Jo. On YouTube I'm known as BananaJamana, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a s'mores teacup cake. Let's see how this goes. Here are the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Vanilla cake mix, chocolate cake mix, vanilla and chocolate icing, some graham cracker cookies, 5 large eggs, applesauce, some milk chocolate, powdered sugar and mini marshmallows, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're going to start by making the cake mix cakes. So we're just going to follow the instructions on the package. Add the eggs to the bowl, a cup of water, and instead of oil, I'm going to use applesauce. Then I'm going to add the graham cracker cookies to a bowl, smash them up until they're little crumbs, and I'm going to add half a cup of that to our cake mix, as well as 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Then we mix it all together, and I'm going to pour the batter into a greased baking tray, and then pop it in the oven for about 7 minutes. Now for the chocolate cake mix. Again, we're going to add our eggs, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of milk, some chocolate chips, half a cup of water, and mix it all together. Once the graham cracker cake's done, we're going to put it onto some parchment paper, and then use the tray for our chocolate cake. Again, it only takes about 7 to 8 minutes for this to bake. And once that's done, I'm also going to put the chocolate cake on some parchment paper so it can cool down. Next, we're going to make a marshmallow fondant. To do this, we're going to add some mini marshmallows to a bowl, as well as a few tablespoons of water, and then pop it in the microwave until it's nice and melted. Then I'm going to add twice as much powdered sugar as marshmallow that we used. I'm going to knead it together, and then we'll have fondant. Now that the cakes are cooled, I'm going to use a glass as a cookie cutter and cut out round circles. Then I'm going to stack them up, alternating vanilla and chocolate. Cover them with vanilla icing, and roll out our fondant. Then I'm going to place the fondant over the cake, sculpt it around it, and then remove the excess. Next, using some chocolate frosting, I'm going to make a circle in the center of the cake, smooth it out, then add a ring of fondant dipped in the graham cracker crumbs, and put it around the top. I'm also going to drizzle some icing down and put graham crackers on top of that. Then we add a fondant handle, some mini marshmallows, and we have a s'mores teacup cake. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and be sure to like and subscribe to Awesomeness TV. Bye!